Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. Today's topic is really important because recently I just discovered some hidden settings inside the Play Store that might be secretly collecting your data. And yes, they are turned on by default. Most of people don't know about this, and Google doesn't clearly inform user that this data collection is happening in the background. So in this video, I will show you exactly what these settings are and what kind of data they are collect and how you can disable them step by step to protect your privacy. So let's get started. First, open your Play Store and go to the settings. Under the general, you will see an option called app install optimization. If you read the description carefully, it says that it sends data to the Google about which part of an app you use, with the goal of making app install open and run faster for everyone on the Play Store. Remember this part, everyone on the Play Store. Now here's the issue. This setting is turned on by default and most of users don't know how it exists. Google is collecting app users data in the background without clearing asking the permissions. They claim it anonymous and used to improve performance. But still, why should I share my users' data? App developer already know how their app works. Plus, my device performance should not depend on the sharing data with Google. If you care about privacy, you should definitely turn this off. Just go to the App Store, Settings, General, App Install Optimization. Just turn it off. Second, now go to your Play Store and tap on Play Protect. In the menu, tap the settings icon on the top right. You will see a settings called Improve Harmful App Detection. So what this does, unknown or side loads app on your phone directly to the Google for scanning. This helps detect new thread faster. But the thing is, even apps you install manually, like through APKs or file transfer, will be uploaded to the Google server without any warning. If you are a developer or if you are regularly use trusted app from outside the Play Store, this could be a privacy issue. So if you want to take full control of your device and stop automatic upload on your personal apps, just turn up the settings. To do that, just go to the Play Store, App Protect, Settings, and just turn off. Now the third setting, just let me show you something shocking. Go to your phone settings, then apps, then open the Google Play Store and tap on permissions. You will see that permission likes Google locations, contacts, microphone, and even nearby devices either already allowed or requestable. Now think, why does this Play Store access to the microphone or location? I'm just using it to search and install apps. Why do they just want to know around me, like what I'm going to saying or what I'm going to doing? Why just they needed that? The reason is simple. Google just want to track your behavior to recommend apps, suggested app, not just app, to show you better ads and understand your app preference. But honestly, this is too much. It's not their job to decide what I liked based on my location or what I talk about. Their job is to give me the app I ask for, not they pushing me automatically. So if you care about your privacy, just go to the settings, apps, Play Stores, and you see the permissions, just turn it off everything. The Play Store still works perfectly without them. So these are the settings that you must off. Otherwise your data going to send to Google. If you have any question related to this topic, just comment down below. I will answer all of your questions. So see you on the next video. Till then, bye bye.